Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to make the turban that I am currently wearing. If you're interested in that, then keep on watching. For this tutorial, this is the fabric that I am going to be using. It is a stretchy fabric, as you can see. This is the wrong side of the fabric and this is the right side of the fabric. I will be taking the measurements I will be needing for my turban now. I will be taking my head circumference measurements, which is 23 inches, and I will be adding half an inch to that. I am going to go ahead and mark that. I will be taking the length measurement, which is 14 inches, and I will be marking that. I am going to go ahead and rule a straight line with my ruler just to make sure all the measurements are accurate before going ahead to cut the fabric. Then I'll be using my scissors to cut it out. I will be needing 2 pieces of this, so I will go ahead and cut the other piece out as well. Here are the 2 pieces of fabric. What I am going to do right now is to fold it into 2. Make sure you're folding it to show the wrong side of the fabric. I will go ahead and pin that all the way down. I will be repeating the same thing for the second piece of fabric. Where I have pinned, I will be taking it to my sewing machine to sew with my zigzag stitch. Because it is a stretchy fabric, that is why I am going to be using the zigzag stitch. I am done pinning now, and here is a transformation. I have gone ahead to sew, and this is what it looks like. I will go ahead and turn both fabrics to the right side. The part that has been sewn has to fall in the middle, and this is going to be the inner part of the turban cap. Now I am going to find the midpoint of both pieces. That is going to be 11.5 inches. I will just go ahead and mark that on both pieces. I will be using my ruler to rule a straight line. The line is not looking visible on the second piece of fabric, but I can see it. I am going to take my needle and thread and make loose stitches on the line I just ruled. I am done with the first piece, as you can see, but I won't be cutting off the thread. I will just continue the loose stitches on the second piece of fabric. I am done sewing that, and this is what it looks like. Let's just say this is 4 open spaces. We're going to come back to that later. I am going to bring this over this way. If you bring this part over this way, it won't work and it won't form that front knot because it's just like I am bringing this piece over here. So look at it again. I am going to be taking this piece over like this, then I'll take the second one over this way. So this way the turban will form that knot in front. Still talking about the 4 open spaces, I am going to go ahead and pin these sides together. If you have gotten to this part of my video, I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you're a new subscriber, I want to say welcome and thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, I just want to say please support your girl by subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up because it will really help more people discover my channel. Leave a comment down below and tell me the type of content you would like to see on my channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. You can see I have closed the side openings. I will go ahead and close this third part. The remaining opening is where I will put over my head. I will just pin this third opening. As you can see here, I have pinned everything down, and this is the inner part of the cap. I will go ahead and sew it. This is what it looks like. I will go ahead and pin the back of the turban. I am going to use a straight stitch here all the way down. I will be removing the temporary stitch I made earlier, and I will just be cutting that off. I am just going to sew it now. This is what it looks like. I am just cutting off some excess fabric. I will be turning it over to the right side to show you what it looks like. This is the front of the turban and this is the back. I will be turning it over to the wrong side again to finish off the turban. I will be using my needle and thread to make loose stitches at the back of the turban, which is where I have just sewn. And now my turban is ready. Here is what the turban looks like when I was done sewing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys in my next video. Bye.